Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of psychology and marketing. We're going to uncover the secrets behind Law 13. Shoot your psychological moonshots first. Trust me, after watching this video, you'll never look at your favorite brands the same way again. Picture this. You've been going to the same hairdresser for years. He's got this impeccable routine, same time, same day, same haircut. But one day, something feels off. You can't put your finger on it, but you sense he rushed your haircut. Your skepticism grows until you can't help but say something. And then he spills the beans. He's been using a psychological trick he calls the one last snip for a decade. That final, pretend snip at the end of your haircut? It doesn't change a thing about your hair, but it changes everything about your perception of his attention to detail. This is the power of a psychological moonshot. Now, let's talk Uber. Travis Kalanick and Garrett Camp were freezing in Paris, tired of waiting for cabs, and they asked a simple question: what if you could request one on your phone? That tiny idea became the global giant we know today. Why? Because they understood something fundamental about human psychology. When you're late for something important, every second feels like an eternity. Uber tackled the anxiety of uncertainty head-on. They formed Uber Labs, a team of behavioral scientists, psychologists, and neuroscientists. These Uber Labs scientists uncovered 5 psychological principles that revolutionized the taxi industry. The peak-end rule. We remember experiences by their peak and end moments. That's why Uber drivers are extra friendly at the end of your ride. Idleness aversion. People are happier when they're busy, even if they didn't choose to be busy. So, Uber gave you something to watch while you wait. Operational transparency. Knowing what's happening behind the scenes reduces anxiety. Uber showed you the progress of your ride and fare calculations. Uncertainty anxiety. We'd rather know something negative is coming than be left in uncertainty. Domino's Pizza Tracker and Uber's map design address this perfectly. The goal gradient effect. We work faster when we're close to achieving a goal. Uber emphasizes how close your ride is to pick up and drop off. All these hacks are what we call psychological moonshots. They're small, often cost-effective changes that dramatically improve perception. Uber, with its expertise in these principles, valued at $120 billion, shows it takes just 2.7 rides for someone to become a loyal customer. The term moonshot comes from the Apollo 11 mission. A psychological moonshot is a leap forward using the power of psychology. As Rory Sutherland puts it, making something 10 times faster won't increase satisfaction as much as making it feel 10 times more enjoyable. Think about it. Elevator close buttons that don't work, but they make you feel in control. Hand soap with tingling effects to make you feel it's working. And McDonald's self-service kiosks that increase sales, satisfaction, and the perception of speed. So here's the takeaway. If you're an entrepreneur, marketer, or creative, start with psychological moonshots. Don't wage a war on reality. Invest in shaping perceptions. Remember, our truth is not what we see. Our truth is the story we choose to believe. That's it for today's video, folks. If you found this information as mind-blowing as I did, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our deep dives into the world of psychology and marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.